I don't know, maybe it's gonna burn a hole in the paint. So I hope the guys who are saying on Facebook that it's gonna ruin my paint, I hope you're wrong, because I'm about to try it. What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Fast Mod Friday. We're here to shed a little bit of light on this thing because people are saying some bad things and they're saying some good things. What this is like a rubber bit that you attach to a cordless drill or some sort of pneumatic buffing tool, and it's supposed to remove all the vinyl graphics on your car. I'm gonna try it on the trunk lid and I'm gonna try it on the glass to see if this thing will actually take off the vinyls that we have on there without me doing any prior prep. All I did was wash the car, make sure everything was clean, and we're gonna see if it just comes right off or if it ruins my glass. I don't know if it's going to rip it apart. I don't know if there's gonna be a burned hole through the paint, but that's what the channel's all about. Try new things, try new products. All right, guys, let's give it a try. I don't know, it's pretty soft rubber. I mean, you guys can see what kind of flexibility, but I don't know what to expect. So let's try the glass first. Okay, smells like a eraser. Okay, so from the first sort of impression I'm getting is that it looks like it's rubberized like eraser shavings, and the glass isn't being hard. So we're gonna put a little more pressure and try to get most of this off. Okay, guys, so it leaves a bit of a mess, and it feels like when you erase you erase a pencil on your paper, all those shavings come off. So, I mean, I'm sure you can use the edge more, but it's kind of more abrasive on the edge. But look, I mean, no scratches. It tore up the decal, no problem. And I was done in less than a minute. So let's pop over to the next one. Let's see how it does on paint. All right, now the moment of truth. If this works, I love it. It's fast, it's easy. I think I paid 30 bucks to the wheel and $7 to the adapter. The best 40 bucks I basically ever spent. We're gonna try to see if we can take this off. Okay, first impression. Didn't take the decal off, but no damage to the paint whatsoever. Okay, guys, no damage to the paint so far. I've taken off the entire limits word on the decal. I see no surface scratches, no scuffing marks. If you guys are using these and you have past experience and you buffed a hole into your paint, how freaking hard are you pressing? Take your time, new product, effing love it. Go buy yourself one. LORDCO in Calgary has them. $29 plus the $7 adapter, 40 bucks. I'm sorry, but this is like the fastest way to remove a decal that you are ever gonna find. And voila, that's it, guys. 100%, I love this product. It is my new favorite tool in the garage, and once again, another win for Euro Cafe and some new products. They don't endorse us yet, but geez, by my love and passion for this product so far, I'm sure I could talk to the guys who make these things. And go buy yourself one, definitely. I'd highly recommend it, super cool. I basically hardly use it at all. It takes a little bit of tarnish off the top, and that is it. But guys, thanks for watching this episode of Fast Mod Friday. I enjoy doing these just as much as I know you guys watching them. Take care and do what moves you.